One of the things that our faculty has done over the last many months is to think about whatever research program that they're involved in, or community-based program that they're involved with, to find ways that students can engage in discussions and conversations with people within that community setting about the impact of the current political context and social context on the people that they're working with within that community. So for example, in a school community, we have faculty who are working, and students who are working on finding ways to have teens talk about the effects of their environment on them, on their identity. How are they and their families experiencing what's happening around them? But again, I will say that it's a really complex thing because there are many people who are afraid of speaking up and about what they're truly experiencing. We have families that we work with that have mixed documentation, so mixed status documentation. So you have parents without documentation, whereas the children are U.S. citizens or have documentation. So this is a really complex and sensitive issue. And so we're trying to, in our own training, talk to our students about the complexity of this and what their particular social location means for the community collaborators. And who do they represent? What is the potential transference? What is the potential countertransference? How are people perceiving us? And how do we approach with humility and sometimes not knowing what the actual struggles are and be open to learning? So rather than sort of coming in as the expert and in fact right now I think this is a time when there's so much uncertainty and lack of information that we really need to be asking in a sensitive way many more questions about what people are really experiencing, whether it's in a school or an outreach program that relates to mental health.